So, this time of the year is famous for the holidays. So, we all seek to go out and have fun and spend some time with our loved ones in the beautiful area. So, we are heading towards Antalya. We booked this holiday from jet2.com. Flight and all inclusive package was included in Antalya in resort called Crenus Friendline Resort. It was a very new resort and I managed to find child price free. My daughter was 2 year old, but still I managed to find in jet2.com. They usually provide free places, but you need to look for specifically for this and check their calendar. Antalya is the fifth most populous city in Turkey and the capital of Antalya province. It's recognized as the capital of tourism Turkey and pivotal part of the Turkish Riviera. Antalya sits on Anatolia southwest coast, flanked by Taurus Mountain, with over 2.6 million people in its metropolitan area. It is the largest city in Turkey Mediterranean region, situated along the Mediterranean Sea. The city
Welcome to
was formerly
Antalya.
known as Antalya and was founded by around 2200 BC by King Altaulus II of Pergamon. Antalya was soon conquered by the Romans. This is the history, but let me talk about the resort. So resort was very beautiful. I never seen such variety of food provided in any
क्या है
hotel yet in my life.
ये ले लो ना
And you can see however I have not recorded
है
everything, so they have like over 40
एक एक
dishes in lunch, over
बहुत
30
ज़्यादा
50
हो जाएगा
dishes in breakfast.
एक्स्ट्रा ऑलिव्स
They have all type of salads, they have all types of soups, they have spreads, they have yogurts, everything you name it, and they have it.
थोड़ा सा
Keep watching, this is really amazing, and I didn't see anywhere else providing these many options in anywhere in the world. So Turkey is best for this and is very affordable. In UK when we go on holiday, just only spend time in hotel. It take us around 150, even 200, even 250
हाँ
per night if you go with family and if you hire some caravan. So however this place was so cheap. It's all inclusive holiday was we managed to do 1 week holiday in within the 2000 pound, including our extra tours which I have gone, like we have gone for scuba diving. We also went Cappadocia. We booked tour from Antalya and we went all the way to Cappadocia. I stayed one night over there,
what is
have
it
done
small
the balloon
fishes
ride, have seen all those beautiful fairy chimneys, and we came back next day to Antalya and then again spent time in hotel. You will have
sorry
really beautiful many amazing pools which you can enjoy. They usually have very good water fountains, water slides, where your kids can completely have fun. And in night, they also arrange very nice shows for entertainment, and where artists comes and perform, and they also
हाँ
let you dance on their music. And for kids also, they have beautiful club arranged where all the kids come together and they will have some singer or some performer and they will do the dance move, they will show and teach the dance moves to kids, and they will have amazing fun. In the resort itself they provide you beautiful spa massage which you can book for extra money, of course. This is the view from our hotel room. Hotel room was also very spacious with balcony looking over to the other pools and water slides. So even if you just sit in your balcony, you will have so much fun. And this is another restaurant which was over the roof. On the ground floor, they have buffet, and over the floor, they have another restaurant and bar which is overlooking to
my
the
god
city,
it's
mountains,
very
and these
hot
beautiful pools.
now this is literally like a burning pan you can make a egg here yay
So we got ready to enjoy in the slide and pool, When they used to run water, you can enjoy these big slides, which I didn't go. I was scared of. So my
Come on.
husband and Arya went because these close slide, I feel very scary because I feel
Arya!
like if I get stuck, if I don't
Arya!
able to breathe, what gonna happen? And Arya was enjoying. We were having so much fun. She had a lot of fun. It was, I think, first all-inclusive holiday we have booked so far, and where Arya also went with us, and we enjoyed a lot. It was so much fun. I'm just
यस
doing
बेटी अब
swimming. I'm
अभी निकाल दो
trying my
बेटा.
best. So Arya is more comfortable around her daddy because he can just go in the water holding her nicely, and I'm a bit of scared. I will hardly manage myself. So I let him do this job so he can have fun, and they both have and can have fun. So they are enjoying in the water together. It has amazing sunny days. It was very hot if you sit inside or just in the hot sun. You can just go in the water and have fun. This is more
There's so
incredible
many
way to
swimming
enjoy the
pools,
holiday. So you
and
can
one
just
is
be in the
behind there
water
as
or
well,
sip
the
a
fountain
cocktails or your
water.
drinks and just be there, forget everything else and just enjoy your holiday. This is what you have to do in your all inclusive holidays. The building was so beautiful. We used to
Arya!
run here and there, nice sunny days. So it was full on package. Yeah, we managed to find rice and we had these chips which we
Arya,
could
what are you
eat, and
doing?
vegetarian options was also there. You can use just some veggies or maybe spreads to eat your
I'm so
rice.
loving this all-inclusive idea. I'm feeling like a queen. Out of 4-5 restaurants here, go wherever you want, order whatever you like, order even drinks. Yeah, I'm 100% right. Yeah, drinks. Whatever drinks you want, whatever food you want, whatever is available, and just eat. And no bills to pay, all free. Isn't it amazing? It's feeling like they're all working for me, cooking for me. Not just me, there's so many guests here. But yeah, this idea is really amazing. I booked this kind of holiday first time, but it's turned out really amazing and it's fun. Just go, eat, fun, and repeat. That's all.
Oh, achoo!
Look at the food variety again. Look at the type of cakes and pastries they have. Oh my god. If you stay there and try to eat each and everything, you will end up getting fat, I bet, within few days only. So much variety, so many options. I'm not a fan of cake, but still I tried some. Every day they are beautifully decorated. All the cakes and sweets and the, I don't know, I don't even know the names. This is what I can describe. You can see the video, how many things they have, how many things they have to offer. These are sweets. This is similar
This
to
is
Indian
my
sweets
plate.
and baklava, and so
These
we
are
I
our
had those
sweets.
definitely because I like baklava. So I ate them. I try to eat some of them. However, I'm not the fan of sweets, but still I tried because something you see and watch. If you don't try, it's not right. You should definitely try these things. But not everything I could try because there are over 100 of things. But yeah, whatever I could eat, I'm familiar with, I ate it. Look and enjoy.
This is all salads. खाओ चलो. Eat banana. Arya.
This was the reception area and very huge reception area. I forgot to take proper video.
What are you
And we
doing?
just used to go there and fun. In evening, there is a club started, and Arya is having fun and playing with this little balloon.
कोई आ भी रहा है? कोई परफॉर्मेंस करने? guys, this is Antalya, Turkey, and this is Akronos Trendline Resort, and it's beautiful. Look at the vibe. They have really beautiful swimming pool, water park, really long, beautiful swimming pool, and one is for the deep one, and then the one for little ones, and there is one just behind this building for the relax. I'm loving the vibe. It's very hot here like India, so I really love it. I kind of feel like I'm in India, and it's all inclusive, so you can eat as much as you like, you can drink as much as you like, and you can have fun as much as you like. It's beautiful. The room is beautiful, very big living area and dining.
It was my birthday, 25th June. So I wanted to do something different to remember my birthday. So I booked my scuba diving because Arya was with us. We had to take a boat from here और middle of the sea वो boat ले जाएगा. फिर आपको वो समुद्र में कुदाएंगे वो सारे आपके स्कूबा डाइविंग के किट्स पहन के. तो वी वर नॉट श्योर कि जो जाना है सिर्फ उनको ही जाना है कि जो स्कूबा डाइविंग करेंगे या बोट पे भी रह सकते हैं, बट आई थिंक बोट पे भी रह सकते हैं लोग. बट गिरीश प्रेफर टू स्टे इन होटल, गिरीश एंड आर्या, एंड आई जस्ट वेंट अलोन. सो दे पिक्ड मी फ्रॉम द होटल in their van and then they took us to the sea. From sea we boarded into a ship and then we went to middle of the sea, and it was very beautiful because the weather was so amazing and nice. But I was feeling a little bit bad because I was alone. I did not know anyone, but I find a family who came from UK as well, so I managed to talk to them. So at least there was somebody who I can talk to. So they have 2 daughters and wife and husband, so I managed to spend some time with them. So then they have provided all these kits to wear to do scuba diving, but I was unsure whether I will able to do it because it's so hard to breathe just with mouth and forget about your nose, and they will cover your nose and ears and everything. You just need to blow the air out and take it in. It's like that, so it's quite difficult. And when you go under the water you will have a fear that you don't have I mean, at least I had that you will not have a ground to put your feet in. You cannot come out quickly to just breathe in, or the water on in your ears or in your nose, so you come out quickly and make it better. While you are underwater you cannot do those things, so it just made me a little bit afraid that how I'm gonna manage all this. So I was literally afraid to do that. And this is after scuba diving. I managed to come back alive. And then it was my birthday, of course, so we went to the bar and restaurant that was on top roof, and we had drinks together. We enjoyed the evening watching over the mountains and pools and with beautiful music. Here you come. This is comes Arya's fun again. Keep watching.
भाग के जाते थे.
Arya, 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Jump, run, run, run. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Come on, hop.
तुरंत ही दूसरे बच्चों को इम्प्रेस करने लगे.
उनका डायपर चेंज कर लाता हूँ. केक यहीं ले आऊँ और मैं जा कर लूँगा.
ले आओ. नाम नहीं शक्ति